Amazing! Have you noticed that any citric fruit peel can pop a balloon? Let's try this orange peel balloon pop experiment and learn the science behind. Actually, this experiment is very easy to do. All you need is an inflated balloon and an orange peel. What you have to do is squeeze the citrus acid out of the orange peel and the balloon pops. The result is immediate. So, what's so special in this experiment? Orange peel contains a chemical called limonene, which is a hydrocarbon. Rubber balloon is also a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons will dissolve together if in contact with each other. Air pressure inside the balloon caused it to pop. So when the droplets of the orange peel touches the surface of the balloon, some of the latex from the balloon immediately begins to dissolve in the limonene. Result: pop.